Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. Today's video is part of a Victorian vintage playlist. But first, we're going to make some vintage envelopes. To start this DIY, we're going to roughly cut out some of these vintage envelopes that have been created by Christy Beasley Creations, and I will leave her website linked below. So all I'm doing is I just did a rough cut, and I really like the stamps and the design of the envelope, so I'm going to do my best to keep those on here since these are the square wooden plaques from the Dollar Tree. And just using Mod Podge, we're going to get it all on there and then sand it off. I will do a top layer of Mod Podge and then we are all done. Alright, let's create this vignette. I'm going to be using several DIYs that I've made in previous videos, and I will be sure to link them up above or down below in the description box. As always during my Decorate With Me, feel free to ask any questions that you may have of any decor, and I will do my best to answer those questions. This video is part of Antonette's Vignettes playlist, which is hosted by Antonette of Antonette Decorating and Nicole of Nicole North Garden Home and Garden. I will have both of these ladies' channels linked below as well as the playlist, and I hope that you will check them out as well as everyone else who participated. If you are liking what you're seeing so far, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel and maybe even liking this video. On my channel, I typically do DIYs that are easy on the budget but beautiful to the eye, and my subscribers are some of my favorite people, so I hope that you'll consider joining us. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I hope that you enjoyed what you saw, and until I see you in the next video, take care.